Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce vision insurance premiums with Vision Service Plan easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce your vision insurance premiums, first gather information about your current plan. Review your coverage details, including monthly premiums and out-of-pocket expenses. Next, visit the Vision Service Plan website to explore available options. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the Vision Insurance section. Use the comparison tool to evaluate different plans based on your needs. Look for any discounts or savings programs. Contact customer service for personalized assistance. Ask about available options for reducing your premiums. Consider increasing your deductible if financially feasible. Inquire about bundled plans that include both vision and dental coverage. Take note of any preventive care benefits that may help lower costs. Check if there are any employer-sponsored vision plans you might qualify for. Review your past claims to understand your usage and needs. Adjust your plan based on your family's vision requirements. Finally, confirm all changes and ensure coverage starts on the designated date. Regularly reassess your plan annually to ensure continued savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.